Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll share 5 skincare mistakes that are secretly ruining your skin. If your skincare routine isn't working, you might be making these mistakes. Stay till the end, you don't want to miss this. Mistake number 1. Over-cleansing your skin. Washing your face too many times strips natural oils. This causes dryness, irritation, and even breakouts. Solution: wash your face only twice a day with a gentle cleanser. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective daily cleanser, the CeraVe Foaming Face Wash is one of the best options. It's specially designed for normal to oily skin, helping to remove excess oil, dirt, and impurities without leaving your skin dry or tight. Formulated with essential ceramides, it helps restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier. It's fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and dermatologist-developed, which means it won't clog your pores and is suitable even for sensitive skin. Mistake number 2. Skipping sunscreen. Not using sunscreen leads to dark spots, wrinkles, and dull skin. Even indoor lights and screens damage your skin. Solution: always apply sunscreen every morning, even at home. If you're searching for a lightweight sunscreen that feels more like skincare, the beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Rice Plus Probiotics is a perfect choice. This sunscreen is one of the most popular K-beauty products for a reason. With a high SPF 50+ and PA++++, it gives strong protection against harmful UVA and UVB rays, helping to prevent sunburn, pigmentation, and premature aging. It contains rice extract and probiotics, which help to nourish and strengthen the skin barrier while giving a natural, healthy glow. The texture is lightweight, non-greasy, and fast-absorbing, so it doesn't leave any white cast or stickiness on the skin. Mistake number 3. Using too many products at once. Layering multiple serums and creams can confuse your skin. It may cause irritation and breakouts. Solution: keep it simple. Morning: cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Night: cleanser, serum, and moisturizer. If you are looking for a serum that targets multiple skin concerns at once, a niacinamide serum is a must-try. Enriched with a high concentration of niacinamide, vitamin B3, it helps to reduce the appearance of enlarged pores, fade dark spots, and control excess oil production. This serum also strengthens your skin barrier, keeping your skin protected from everyday damage and irritation. With soothing plant-based extracts, it calms redness and improves uneven skin tone, giving you a fresh and radiant look. Its lightweight and non-sticky formula absorbs quickly, making it suitable for both morning and night routines. Perfect for all skin types, especially those with oily, acne-prone, or dull skin. Mistake number 4. Sleeping with makeup on. This clogs pores, causes acne, and makes your skin age faster. Solution: always double cleanse before bed. Step 1. Remove makeup with micellar water or cleansing balm. Step 2. Wash with a gentle cleanser. If you're looking for the best oil cleanser, the Anua Heartleaf Oil Cleanser is the perfect choice. It gently yet effectively removes makeup, sunscreen, and daily impurities without stripping your skin. Infused with heartleaf extract, it helps soothe irritation, reduce redness, and keep breakouts under control. The lightweight texture rinses off easily, leaving your skin fresh, soft, and deeply clean, making it ideal for sensitive and acne-prone skin. Mistake number 5. Not moisturizing oily skin. Skipping moisturizer makes your skin produce even more oil. Solution: use a lightweight, gel-based moisturizer. If you're looking for the best lightweight moisturizer, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel is an amazing option. Powered with hyaluronic acid, it delivers intense hydration and locks in moisture all day without feeling greasy. The refreshing, fast-absorbing gel formula keeps your skin plump, smooth, and radiant, making it perfect for oily, combination, and dehydrated skin. It's a must-have for anyone who wants long-lasting hydration with a breathable, non-sticky finish. These were 5 skincare mistakes that are ruining your skin. Are you guilty of any of these? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more skincare tips. See you in my next video.